the top, and then the rail that you know the awning attaches to.
Yeah.
I brought a bead all the way down across that, and I put it up.
I'm videotaping. So hey everybody, this is Dustin, Interior Specialist. So we were just talking about basically this bracket on another unit that we're seeing that's come loose and that's wallering back and forth. And I want to give you a close-up picture of this one where you can see how those double eyes are on that awning tube. What we found was that they installed the awning way too forward, way too beyond the reach of that solitude, and it's basically touching the power awning, and then it's coming loose and it's pulling the bracket because it's out of tension from the distance from one side to another. So not on this one. This is one that we just installed this morning, and we just wanted to give you that as an example compared to the last two videos that we just did on it. So we also did a full body reseal. As you can see, all the silicones and sealants have been done. This is a follow-up video as well. So this was a piece where it was separated. We added split rivets and stuff in there to protect it. Siliconed all the sides where the Schwintek side-out system is.
Windows.
All around the windows, the moldings, the compartment doors, the lights, a lot of the inner edges on stuff. You know, same thing. You can see like the clearance lights were resealed, the side seams, you know, and it's switching from, you know, white to black to white to black. In some cases clear, trying to keep this thing as watertight as possible. So anyways, I hope these videos help, and stay tuned for more. And if you haven't already joined us, we have multiple groups. So this one just happens to be a Grand Design because we have a couple of dealers local to us, but we have not only, you know, pretty much every major manufacturer. So this one be Grand Design RVs owners in the RV Shop with Dustin. But if you have, you know, a Jayco or a Keystone or a Tiffin or a Newell or an Alliance or a Van Lee Beacon or another Jayco, or pretty much anything that comes through, we have a group for it. So make sure you join those groups for other tips and tricks and things that are going on in the shop. It'll help keep you updated on what we're doing. Thanks so much for watching.